Check it out. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning and I've already made $900. I accomplished this from a business model known as high ticket digital affiliate marketing, but I'm doing this completely different than anyone you've seen online. Now, what most people are doing is they're teaching you how to go out there, share an affiliate link, and just simply promote one product. Now, in case you don't know, the idea of high ticket digital affiliate marketing is simply just sharing other people's products and you get paid a cut of the sale for it. So you can make $500 all the way up to $5,000 plus commissions. Now, the way that I promote high ticket digital products is user friendly because I don't have to do any of the selling or any of the telling. What I'm doing is I'm leading people to a marketing system, and that marketing system not only sells one product on my behalf, but it sells multiple products on my behalf. Think about Apple. When you walk into an Apple store, they don't just have one product, the iPhone. They've got other products. They've got computers. They've got laptops. They've got the Vision Pros, amongst others. So I want you to imagine for a minute having your own done-for-you marketing system completed with high-ticket digital products. And all you need to do is lead people to the marketing system. That system does all the selling and telling for you, and you're going to make commissions off of multiple product sales. So if you're a beginner or you're struggling online to get started and you want to make 3 to 5 times as much than most of these so-called digital high-ticket affiliate marketers out there, go to the link in my bio, click that, and get registered for free now.
If you'd like more like this, go ahead and subscribe and comment, and don't forget to check for the link to see more. If you're watching on TikTok, check the bio. Instagram or Facebook, comment free. YouTube, check the description and get started.